show you some of the specifics on getting out of camp, turning off generators, making sure your camper is ready for the road. First things first, if you come over to the generator before you unplug anything, you want to turn it off before you unplug it. So we're going to turn the battery off. Turn the gasoline off, and then you're good to unplug the generator. And then we're going to come and put your cord in its housing. Just fish it all the way through. And so fish your cord all the way through, and then make sure your housing is horizontal so it's not upright, so it's closed. And then go through and make sure all of them are horizontal so you don't have any hatches that are open. Horizontal, horizontal, make sure they're all closed. And then we will go ahead and put the cover on the generator. So all the straps are there permanently. You don't need to mess with those. Same with the lock. We're just gonna cover it up. Push some of the slack underneath it. And then we'll use the 2 bungee cords to go each direction to get it. Just the bungee cords are just purely for the cover. And so we'll go each way. And attach the bungees each direction. Just go one front to back and one side to side. If you can get the bungees out of here. One front to back, one side to side, and that'll just make sure your cover doesn't blow off when you're driving down the road. And then you're all good to there. You turn the gas off and turn the battery off. And check those housings on that side. And then on this side, you want to make sure you can watch the awning video to see how to roll up the awning. Check the latches, make sure that it's latched shut. And then also check your all your hatches on this side, make sure they're closed. This one, you want it to be vertical. Check all these ones, and then we actually want to double check the propane regardless and make sure that it is all the way clockwise and turned off. And those are the main things on the outside. Just make sure everything else is good to go. And then we're going to come inside, and from there make sure none of your burners are on, turn off all your burners. And then we're going to come up to the control panel here, make sure your water pump is off, you don't use the generator access here, and then make sure the water heater is off as well. Same with the auxiliary battery. And then you just want to make sure all the cabinets and everything are closed. You don't have anything floating around on the countertop, so you don't have anything flying when you're driving. And then go ahead and secure, make sure all the cabinets are secured, door closed. And then we want to switch this, if you have it running on gas, you want to switch this to auto, or actually if you don't have anything you want to turn it off as well. Other than that, you should be good to go to get on the road.